Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best tech products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Amazon link is in the description below. Now let's dive into the JBL Flip 5. The JBL Flip 5 delivers 20 watts of clean, punchy JBL sound in a compact and travel-friendly design. Despite its small size, the bass response is impressive and vocals remain clear even at higher volumes. One of its biggest strengths is durability. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, this speaker can be fully submerged in water, making it perfect for poolside use, beach trips, or outdoor adventures. Battery life is rated at up to 12 hours, which easily covers a full day of casual listening. You also get PartyBoost, allowing you to connect multiple JBL speakers for louder and wider sound. If you want a reliable, affordable, and waterproof Bluetooth speaker for everyday use, the JBL Flip 5 is still a solid choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price, and don't forget to subscribe for more speaker reviews.